Hi, I want to treat this horse with a sweetage treatment. Now, we work on prevention rather than cure. So, if we get it on now, before the itching starts, there should be no itching in the first place. And we've had him past the veterinary, no sweetage, because it was prevented in the first place. Now, I'm going to be using cleaning with the wash. I diluted a few capsules into a bottle of warm water, which I've one already prepared, and I'll be massaging in then the anti-itch cream. So I'm going to start here now, is to clean it first. Now, I often say about cleaning it, and the wash itself has lots of beneficial healing qualities, and it's about getting rid of all the dead skin, the dandruff, often the skin is very hard, etc. Now, people blame a midge and stuff, which I actually don't buy into, because in Scandinavia they call the same problem summer eczema. And if you think about eczema on our own skin and the sweetage, it's lots of similarities. Because the skin will be hard, it'll be cracked, and it can't be then warmer weather, itching and stuff. Now, we will do this, normally we'll do it, good boy, we'll do it on both sides. We'll do it on both sides, and it's just to get, because bearing in mind it's the skin we're treating, not the hair. And if I went with the cream without washing it, it's like painting over rust, and it's going to be, well, it's not going to work very well. Good boy, good lad. This is a very, very nice horse, lovely temperament. So we're going to do that, and then I'm just going to move back here to his tail. Good boy, don't drink water. Good boy, good boy, good pet, good pet. This one, and I'll wash all of the tail, top to bottom. Now, the reason I use this bottle with the squirty top is because there's no waste. Now, if I come with a basin or a bucket, most of that wash is going to be going down the drain. It's going to be, well, you're wasting a lot of the product, and people want to get value for money and the results. We definitely need the result. And I'm doing all the tail. Very often they'll only scratch up at the top, at the dog, but I'll wash all of it, and it's really massage it, get the skin really, really clean. It's quite good. Good boy, good boy. Good lad. And it's very cooling, it's soothing. Unlike a lot of the chemical products, it does not sting, it does not hurt. In fact, it has the very opposite effect. It's very user-friendly to both human and horse. And side effects, I had a very good case of a side effect. There's a colonel in the army, dermatitis on the hands, no money and no specialists could help. But the side effect of treating the horses with Botanica, he got a 96 or 7% result. I'm just going to get my anti-itch cream. My anti-itch. Now, one tub of the anti-itch and one 500 ml of the wash is basically one treatment for one horse for 1 year. And we do 2 weeks in the spring. So we start the first week, we will do 5 days in a row, and then the second week it's every second day, and that should be good enough until 1 week in mid-July. We just do that because August, I think, is a bogey month with sweetage. Now, because it has been washed and cleaned, I can actually get to the skin. And this is, again, it's the skin we're treating, and people ask, do you need to use the wash? And I always say, we wouldn't paint over rust. And everybody gets the message there, thankfully. We say it in a nice way, of course. So it's getting this massaged really, really well in. on both sides. Now this guy has got a lovely, lovely mane, no rubbing, there's no harm, no damage, and that's all because prevention. Chinese philosophy, prevention is better than cure. Now very often in today's society, they treat the symptoms. They certainly don't go for the cure. Because very often a patient cured is a customer lost. But we work very much on ethics, and I have one rule in my religion. If I don't like it done to myself, then I won't do it to someone else. And very uncomplicated. I'll just do the other side. Good boy. Good lad. And this cream is water based, and it goes in really well, and it is not a grease. And the same creams is good. Anything with the skin. Cuts, grazes, capped hooks. If you get a capped hook early, it will be great at reducing the swelling. The products are antifungal, antiseptic, antibacterial, antihistamine, anti-inflammatory. And for science, we have science going back thousands of years with the individual ingredients. Tea tree, comfrey, lavender, and aloe vera. So my secret really is my recipe. And Donny Weston are selling herbal medicine to China. We sell by the ton. Actually, as we speak, I have 3.6 ton on 3 pallets to be shipped out.